to Aldi's and to Walmart, and I'm going to share with you my haul today. So it is the end of the month, and I decided to take advantage of going to the store and just picking up a few things today that I needed. I had a friend that offered to take us, and so we rode with him. And we also not only went to Aldi, but I did get a few things back there in the back from Walmart because I needed to go to Walmart and grab a couple things. So I'm going to share with you guys what I bought. So I did get whole milk, and I needed some cheese slices, some turkey meat, some bananas. We got 2 boxes of vanilla extract, some chia seeds, which I do like chia seeds. I know I haven't bought them in a very long time, but I do like them. 2 things of bologna. My husband loves bologna. 2 things of biscuits, some maple syrup. This is some almond flour. I've been seeing some healthier type recipes, and I've been wanting to try them, and it requires almond flour, and I'm going to probably give a few things a whirl and see what I think. We got some hot Italian sausage, some chicken, and 2 things of chicken tenderloins. Also got a package of apples because I have been really enjoying apples lately. 2 things of evaporated milk because when I start to run out or I see it go down in the pantry, I just go ahead and I grab a couple. Some chicken broth. I actually got 2 of those, and this is the other one. Put it with this one. Some unsweetened applesauce that I enjoy. Ronnie does not like applesauce at all. 2 things of tomato and basil spaghetti sauce. We got some seasoning today. So we've got, let me turn this around here, some Italian seasoning. And as you guys know, I replenish my little glass jars. There's some more. And so whatever I don't use, I keep in the regular pantry, and then I just keep refilling the glass jars because that whole system, if anybody is wanting to know, my IKEA glass jars that I keep my spices in has really worked out tremendously. So if you're curious about that, it is wonderful, and I think I'm definitely going to keep that going. I got my husband some popcorn. I don't eat popcorn unless it's like caramel corn or something. Sometimes I will, but most generally I don't eat popcorn because I don't like it. Some flour tortillas. I got some, what are you? Cauliflower. Yes, cauliflower. Some olive oil spray. I seen this in a TikTok video, and I am very curious. I have been told that it is delicious. It's the new chickpea pasta. This is the penne. And so I'm going to give that a whirl. I bought 2 of them. I got a thing of flour because I'm completely out, but I haven't really been baking and doing a whole lot because as you're going to tell, there's going to be a lot of produce because I am trying to get a little healthier. And I have been doing this for over a week now, and I feel so much better already. Got my yogurt. I usually eat 1 of these for breakfast every day with 2 eggs. So I got stocked up on this. I just ran out like the day before yesterday, and I just felt like the last 2 days, I'm like, where's my yogurt? I gotta have my yogurt. Some blueberries, some mushrooms, strawberries, carrots, grapes. I'm gonna make my healthy chicken salad. Recipe is on my page. Going to get, I've got some, what are you? Green peppers, bell peppers. And then I got a thing of mixed colored peppers, some celery, 2 things of spinach, because I love my spinach, especially for breakfast. Absolutely love that. And it's very, very good for you. I did get a bag of monk fruit sweetener. I have been seeing some other YouTubers using this as a sugar alternative, and I did want to give it a try and see what I thought. This is a 0-calorie sweetener, and I have been told that it does not raise your blood sugar levels. Anyhow, I'm not a dietitian or anything, so you'd have to look that up for yourself personally, but I am trying to do better. So tell me if you guys have tried this kind of sweetener and if you like it. I usually buy the stevia, but today I went for the monk fruit. So we got, this is Walmart back here. You're going to see some Walmart, and I'll tell you Walmart or wherever I got it. So this is thyme. I needed some of that. And rosemary, because I use it on chicken a lot. And I got some cumin right here. And then I got some sugar-free Jellos, because whenever you're trying to do better, I find that Jello and Jello pudding are very good options. Like, you know, you can have a little bit of it. It's very low calorie and there's no sugar, and you kind of feel like you've given yourself like a little treat or a dessert. So there are some sugar-free Jellos, some puddings, and they're all the same. So quickly show you. There you go. Then I needed some lint rollers very badly. And I went ahead and got a thing of ground beef here. I bought that from Walmart. I also got this from Walmart, which is going to go into my closet. I'm still working on it, and I should be able to finish it this week. Keep your fingers crossed I can finish it this week. I did get Ronnie some more pretzels. And then lastly, the pretzels are from Aldi. So from Aldi also, we have some saltines and some bread. And that is all I purchased for this week for hauls as far as food is concerned. I hope you guys have enjoyed seeing my purchases. I hope you guys have a fantastic week. Thank you so much for watching Heidi's Home. And if you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you part of Heidi's Home, and I will be seeing you all very, very soon. So have a blessed week. Bye, guys.